Hello friends, I am Deepanshi Sharma. Welcome to my YouTube channel Genius Deepanshi and I hope you are doing well. Today I will start this pattern and this is a reverse right angle triangle pattern and also a column wise pattern, and we want to print alphabets in this pattern in column wise way. So we used a nested for loop to build this pattern. Firstly we declare two variable of integer type. So we declare I and j variable of integer type, and after declaration of two variables we create outer for loop, and in this outer for loop we take three parameters. Firstly we initialize the variable, second check condition, and third increment or decrement the values of a variable. So firstly we initialize I equals to 0 and check condition if I less than equals to 4 and I increment to 1. And inside this outer for loop we create another loop that is called inner for loop, and in this inner for loop we also take three parameters. Firstly we initialize j variable equals to 4 and check condition if j greater than equals to I and j decrement to 1. And inside this inner for loop we print j variable plus 65, and we used specifier percentile c because percentile c is used when you want to print character. So in this pattern we want to print character, so we used percentile c as a specifier, and we print j variable plus 65 because the sky value of capital A is 65. And in this pattern we have a column wise pattern, so we always print the inner loop variable that is j, and in this pattern we used j plus 65 logic, and outside this inner loop we used backslash n for new line. So when you run this program the accurate output is shown as below. So I hope you understand. Like, share and subscribe our channel Genius Deepanshi, and thank you for watching. And if you have any doubt related to this pattern you can ask me in the comment section, and have a good day. Grow more and more day by day. Thank you.